For nearly 40 years, Peter has been rescuing swans. But recently, his rounds have taken a more sinister turn.
Sure how long it's been in there.
After finding 7 dead swans in this reen, Peter alerted the authorities after hearing concerns that as the UK battles one virus, another could be reigniting. Avian flu has been linked to a number of deaths of wild birds over recent weeks.
We ought to be worried. We don't know whether this virus can travel from a dead body of a swan into the humans, and I suppose I really ought to take advice on that. And I will do, because it'd be silly to carry on regardless if there's a real danger to our own lives.
Others aren't taking any chances. One veterinary hospital in Worcestershire told Sky News they've shut their doors after a suspected outbreak there. Once a dead bird is found, they're reported to the government, officials come along to recover them and then go on to test them. This virus mutates. It attacks the bird's nervous system, causing them all kinds of neurological symptoms. The Department for Environment, Food and Rural Affairs have placed 5 premises across the UK, including nature reserves and poultry farms, under strict biosecurity measures. The UK Chief Veterinary Officer is concerned and says these outbreaks are reminiscent of 2017.
Biosecurity and enhanced scrupulous biosecurity is absolutely the best protection, and housing is one of the actions that we can take in that. So that's the last time we saw this kind of high level of infection. And again, across the continent, we watch what's happening there closely. They're seeing the same, lots of cases being confirmed. In the Netherlands, particularly, they get a lot of wild birds. So while that's happening, my concern level remains really high.
Public Health England say the risk to human life and food contamination is very low. It's not known how these swans died, but another disease, whether affecting animals or humans, is the last thing anyone needs. Ashna Harinag, Sky News in Newport, South Wales.